Hello, welcome to the Bulls Magnet Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to register for binary trading in Quotex. Okay, now before I continue, please note that trading can be very volatile and risky, and you can lose money. Kindly note that this video is for educational purpose alone. Going ahead to register and trade on this platform indicates that you agree to bear 100% of the risks that is involved in trading. So having said this, let me go straight into showing you how to get registered on the binary trading platform. All right. Now, if you are watching this from YouTube, I will drop the registration link in the description below, okay? And then if you are in our trading platform, you will see the registration link I will drop on the platform. Just click on the registration link, okay? And then it will bring you to this page where you will fill this form and then continue to register for Quotex. Now, once you click on the registration link, it's going to bring you here, guys. Make sure you fill the right information just so your KYC can be approved. In the place where you have your country, please fill your country of residence or the country of origin, okay? I will prefer that you fill your country of origin and then also provide address from the country of origin, not the country where you stay, okay? Now, for the benefit of doubt, if you are from Nigeria, it's important that you fill Nigeria here, and then on this page, you fill USD, okay? If you are from Ghana, you fill Ghana, and then you also fill USD, okay? And then continue, filling every other thing that you have to fill here. Now, this is where you fill your email address, and then you put in a password, okay? Then after that, you would check this box. There are two boxes that you have to check, okay? Once you are done checking those boxes, then you click on registration, okay, right here. And once you do that, if the email is valid and every other thing is correct, okay, it will just take you to successful registration. Please take note. When you are done with the registration and it's successful, go straight to the email that you use to do what? To verify that very registration. If you do not do that, you may likely not have the account verified, okay? So once you are done with that, you will now come and log in, okay? So you have verified right now, and then you want to log in. All you need to do is to click on the email and then the password, then you click on login, okay? As you log in, it will bring out this interface, and that shows that you are done with your registration. And then the next thing is for you to go over and do your KYC. Guys, listen attentively, okay? Now, check out this page, this icon, all right? Click on it for your KYC, okay? Once you click on it, you can see right here that this account is not verified, all right? So you can see fill in your first name as it is contained in either the document or the passport or whatever national identification document that you want to use for this verification purpose, okay? So you fill your first name, fill your last name, and then the date of birth. Make sure everything is correct, okay? Then you fill the country, okay, of origin, and then your address, okay? The address of that origin, where that passport is coming from. Please take note, not where you are living, okay? Very important. Now, guys, listen to this. You will click on save. Immediately you click on save, where you would, the page where you are going to upload the document will now show. Now, once it showed, you will now have the opportunity to upload that document, okay? All right, and that is what it is. So once you are done uploading it, it will take about 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour before you will get verified. And once you are verified, guys, you are ready to go, start trading and then taking your buy and sell positions for you to become profitable. Now you come here and click on this icon, okay? Click on this icon here, and then it will bring you back to this page, okay? And here you have it, guys. You are now ready to do other activity on your page, on your trading platform, okay? So this is how to get registered, and then do your KYC, okay? It's very simple. You can do it. If you miss out on anything, kindly rewatch this video over and over again. While you are watching the video, you are taking the action, all right? And then at the end, you'll be done with it, and then once you have put in the right information, you will be verified, and then your platform is ready to get started with this trading. Okay, so guys, in the next module, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process on how you can start and profit from binary trading. Okay, and then again, I will also be showing you the interface, what to do, and then how to activate your indicators. Okay, watch out for that module 2. All right, and that is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are watching from YouTube. I will see you in the next module.